Right, we are at the North Carolina Museum of Art. We've been to plenty of museums around the world, and this is pretty world class. I love it. It's fun, modern, great architectural design, awesome display of local artists, even in the gift store, and 2 cafes, and we're about to check out the new one that's just opened. The East and West galleries hold permanent collections and temporary exhibits, which include more than 4,200 objects and spans more than 5,000 years. My favourite was The Light of Life, a kaleidoscopic world of infinite space. Step up to the box and see it for yourself. This is like a labyrinth of mirrors. Oh wow, this is so groovy. I love this.
Look where?